Why do 90% of beginners quit Forex trading? Because they don't know these easy steps. Welcome to Forex 101. Forex stands for foreign exchange, where you trade currencies like the dollar and euro. Think of it as swapping your dollars for euros on vacation, but with a twist. You're aiming to make a profit. First, pick a reliable broker. They're like your guide in this currency jungle. Check reviews and make sure they're legit. Next, start with a demo account. It's like Monopoly money, but in the real world. Practice without risking your cash. Learn the basics. What affects currency prices? News, politics, even the weather. It's all connected. Set a budget. Only trade what you can afford to lose. Think of it as your learning fee. Finally, keep it simple. Don't dive into complex strategies right away. Start with the basics, and you'll thank yourself later. So grab your virtual passport and start your Forex journey today.